Good day. Let's tackle about wireless power transfer. First and foremost, let's define what wireless power transfer is and how it works. So, as you may have guessed, wireless power transfer or WPT is the transmission of electrical power without wires. So, for for more other information, let's watch this video.
Run an electric current through a coil of copper wire, and the coil will produce a short-range magnetic field. Place a second coil within this field, and an electric current will flow through it. The magnetic field has transferred electrical power from one coil to the other. This principle is called induction, and it has been understood for more than a century. Induction is what charges a wireless electric toothbrush, for example, and it works well over extremely short distances. Pull the coils apart, and the power transfer ceases. It turns out that the trick to longer distance power transfer is the same principle an opera singer uses to shatter a wine glass from across the room. It's called resonance. For the opera singer, when the frequency of the sound wave matches the unique resonant frequency of a glass, the acoustic energy is converted to kinetic energy at the highest possible efficiency. The energy then builds inside the glass until it shatters. The coils that Witricity uses to transfer power wirelessly are magnetic resonators. First, a rapidly oscillating electric current is applied to a coil at its specific resonant frequency. This creates a magnetic field in the region around the coil. Tune a second coil to the same resonant frequency as the source, and it will couple, resonating anywhere within that region and converting the oscillating magnetic field into an electrical current within the second coil. This response is called highly coupled magnetic resonance, and it hasn't been done before. By attaching the second coil to a device, such as the battery of an electric car or a mobile phone, this current can be made to do useful work. The source can be either centimeters or meters away from the device being powered, and can deliver power through walls or around metal obstacles. The power can even be distributed across multiple devices at once. So by a simple trick of physics, power is transferred wirelessly.
So let's back. So how it works? Fundamentally, it uses a basic concept most engineers know, the Faraday's law of induction. This law states that a changing magnetic field causes an AC current. Science behind physics, Faraday's law stating that when the magnetic flux linking a circuit changes, an electromotive force is induced in the circuit proportional to the rate of change of the flux linkage. So, in chemistry, Faraday's law stating that the amount of any substance deposited or liberated during electrolysis is proportional to the quantity of electric charge passes and to the equivalent weight of the substance. So, this picture represents the Faraday's law. Yan, the two coil, and then a magnet, and the bulb. So, there are two coils involved in wireless power transfer. A receiver and a transmitter. These coils act more or less like an inductor. So, essentially, they are just two air coils that are inductive coupled. So, wireless power techniques mainly fall into two categories: the near field and far field. In near field or non-radiative techniques, power is transferred over short distance. So in far field, as you can see, far, so the power transferred by beams of electromagnetic fields over a long distance. So these techniques can transport energy longer distance than near field. So, proposed application for this type, solar power satellites and wireless powered drone aircraft. So, several important benefits of wireless power transfer. Mhm. So, for one, wireless power allows you to completely seal your device. So, whether you're looking to get rid of a power port, remove something you don't want in the system, or advance your product from water resistance to waterproof, wireless power could be your perfect solution. Another, wireless power means less cord clutter, since each mobile device typically requires its own charging cord. So, application, um, wireless power offers a multitude of real-world, from 0 to over 200 watts of power transfer. Another key benefit to wireless power is the highly expandable power range it offers. So, the level of efficiency is thus very high. Thank you.